Oh yeah. Yeah, no, my sitch stayed over. We went out for breakfast. Maybe I should have bought fucking Jivo. It's actually pretty good price action. I can wait. I bought some Redfin today. I think we're back on this trade. Just to start. Assuming a lot of shorts got blown out on this. Can't believe this thing isn't done. Aklo is crazy, guys. Whoever doubted Aklo, you've been told. Godlike stock, dude. I mean, Aklo's doubled since the first day of news. It's almost doubled. Yeah, but whoever said this is clearly leading is wrong, man. Aklo is the leader. Well, I mean, Aklo's and then the CCJ is the leader in the mining. But yeah, you could also trade this, but if you have a small account. I think I should promote one of these. Just get good. Don't sleep on anything. No excuses. What do you mean slip-ups, mental fumble? I don't know what you did wrong. Did you just not buy it? Hepatitis? Heps? What is this? Yeah. You should have been in it. I was in it from here, and I closed it after it lost a 10 day, but I rebought it after it broke like high nines. Well, Monday you got the news late day, dude. I got an alert here. See this is late session. And I was going to the Dodgers game and I bought it on my phone. I just chased it because the news was good. The news was good. The news specifically pertained to small modular reactors. See this one. They're going to build 7 plants. Actually I'm pretty sure. I mean this and then two and then you could have bought it here too the next day. Tuesday you could have bought it too. Just buy the like 10 minute you could buy the EMA band. 30 minute you buy it off the 10 EMA. I mean there's a lot of ways you could have gotten to this. You could have bought it on highs here. You could have bought it even on Wednesday. Wednesday was the big news, right? The Amazon one, this one had the biggest reaction. This is when everything else started to move. And I've been talking about Oculus since if you go to my channel, go to the old streams, right? Like I talk about why I bought Oclo a long time ago, because of the character of the stock. It's just the type of thing that can move. But I never took it off top watch, right? After here, I was either in it or I was closely watching. I held it through all of this, except for this day. And then, sometimes you just gotta rebuy higher than you sold it for. It's fine. It doubled in like 4 days, finally. Like, look, it's not gonna die either. It looks so good. All the other ones are subpar. Oclo is the best one. Should I rebuy? Should I buy more of this? I'm trying to buy this slowly on dips. Yeah, it did until it didn't. It was weak until it wasn't. But it's just the type of stock that can make a big move. It's got everything going for it. It's liquid, it's a shit SPAC, it's got new news flow. And if you like just look at like the volume profile on the hourly here. Do you not see this, right? So many stocks like do this kind of thing where they grind and then they just fucking explode. Givo is another good example. It's like, right? You'd think it's extended on the daily, but it's actually not. It just it's hard to find an entry. I'll try to buy it on a dip. This is similar, right? Grindy after an EP, and then it got more news here. It fucking explodes. ARM, another good one, right? Grind, fucking explode. And then now I think it's doing the same thing on a longer range. You just got to get better at picking. You got to know which stocks have the potential to make big liquid, big like linear moves. What is something that can sucker people in? Maybe I should have bought this today. Meh. Yeah, that's why you study more. Study the characteristics of the stocks that make big moves. Okay, this goes to lows. Should I cut it or buy more? I should probably reduce if it loses the hourlies. This probably needs to retest tens, maybe. I got stopped out of this one earlier this morning. I bought this in the morning. Oh no, all the China names are the same thing, right? Gap up and did China get news or is it just a technical bounce? There we go. This is the one. You just if it's a leading stock and it's got that character to it, you gotta get into it. Like that's basically what my whole it's basically how I trade. The setup itself, the tactical setup, be like, oh, I don't trade that kind of setup. Like I don't know. Like you find a few different ways to get into it. Like that's what you want. Like learn how to enter in a pullback, right? Learn where the key levels might be. I think China might actually be setting up again soon. No. Yeah, exactly. The perfectness, so to speak, doesn't matter. For this type of trading, yeah, it's just get into the best names. Get into the best names. Get into the best names. Right. Drill that in. Identify the best names and get into them. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. I just yeah. I'm not in a big rush. I bought Redfin today. Do I think it's about to go up? I mean, I don't know, man. That's not the type of question you should be asking. Do I think it's about to go up? What the fuck? Come on, man. How can you just fucking what the fuck, dude? Your answer is in the question. Trust the chart. That's how. If you don't trust the chart, that means you haven't studied enough, or you don't have enough experience. You just do it, dude. Should I not have cut this? Like I actually cut this because I was losing the 30-minute EMAs. I don't really like that. Yeah, the story. Oklo is it's like a SPAC. It's Sam Altman backed, right? Sam Altman, that's got the potential to drag the retards in. Everyone knows who Sam Altman is. Yeah, Sam Altman's in it. It must be good stock, right? Yeah, know what's going on, right? Like I knew what this was before it merged when it was still ALCC. It was that's what the logo is here. This little A, it's still from the old logo. I've been watching this forever. I mean, I've known about it forever. Just know what's going on. Like, right? This should have shown up in your scans, and you're like, what the fuck is going on? What is this? And then you look into it, and then yeah, and then so the next time I see it, so next time this shit gets news, I look at all the nuclear stocks gapping up, right? You know that this one has potential, even though it's down here. And obviously the other ones have better charts, right? Like long-term charts. These are, I think these are fine. They just needed to get, they got to get rid of sellers up here. But it's setting up. Should I have bought some Z starter too? I could wait. I think these just need bigger setups after the big move, but Redfin still has the most potential to move a lot, in my opinion. Lumen's still a thing. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, this obviously has potential. If Build D is going again, oh god. Reddit, oh my god. This has been hard to get into though. It's like you kind of buy it here, I guess. Fucking price target increase. Same with like AAOI. This has been a piece of shit to get into. Oh damn. This is really moving. Can I get rid of this name? Yeah. Oh, this is not bad now. Should we promote this again? Yeah, let's promote it again. Okay, okay. The EV still look like such dog shit, unfortunately. But except for BYD. No, my positions are here, dude. My positions are here. These are my positions. They're right here. Oh, should I rebuy this? Should I rebuy this? Not yet. CG? No, it's definitely above my average. My average is 263.18. And that should be a wash sale average too. I think I took a loss on it at some point. Or no, I just bought it here and then I held through this because, you know, I have big balls. Um, Everything I have is above my average, except technically Cart says it's below, but because I sold and rebought Cart like one of these days and just like I sold it because I was scared and then I rebought it because I was like I shouldn't have sold it. But I started buying Cart down here, so my average that should actually be I believe like less than 41. Everything is above my average. EVGO might not be soon, but I'd kind of chase this obviously. SoFi briefly went below my average yesterday, but it's fine. Dude, this is such a banger trade. I had this under I bought this in like the low sevens at first. It's crazy. I haven't had it's almost like a 200% move. I haven't had that since like I think the last time I had that was either GME or CGC probably. Yeah. Look, cores. This thing's just a grindy piece of shit. Maybe it can accelerate on some news. Right now, I'm most interested in I think Upstart, Zillow, and maybe Compass in a few days. Maybe Hims in a little bit. This was unfortunate. Oh. It might move at some point, but it's just yeah, it's acting like a turd. I think this has potential. This is China real estate. I love this reclaim. I had like a third of my account in Oklo, so then it grew to like a fourth, and then I cut it. Now I have about 20% in Oklo. I sold down to a little less than half of my original position, but Oklo got me out of the drawdown basically. Hmm. I should. Okay, no, just not gonna rebuy it yet. I mean, it's going up. I'm not really interested in it. It's like, yeah. But who knows? Could it do a Carvana type thing? from lows, because Carvana didn't really have a great base either, right? Like this trade was just from like straight down. This is an easier trade, but how do you know, right? And I don't think it has as high short interest as Carvana did. Carvana back then was one of the most shorted stocks. Puton is 19% short interest, so not nothing, but you know, it's not particularly like what's the other one? The pandemic names? Like these, I don't know if I believe that they're bottomed. I go on FinViz to look at short interest generally. This probably needs some more time though. Yeah, well, nothing has everything. Dude, I should be in this Givo, man. This is crazy. I should have bought it here on the high of here. That's for my. Oh well. What's that Giga Cloud technology? I don't like that stock. Did it do anything? Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, that's not horrible. I just didn't like the way it behaved back here. Just grind and then like I don't know what the fuck is this shit, right? But this company is headquartered near my hometown, I think, right? This is the one in yeah. What's the news flow on this? I don't know. It's just a tactical pattern. It might work. I would try to focus on things with news flow. I should be in this one too. I might even promote this. Actually, I will, yeah. This primary watch list is getting pretty big. Oops. There is not that much value in this. Where is this? Okay, I was looking for Sim. Yeah, Symbiotic. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about this yet. Old runner though. Wait, holy shit, are we nearing all-time highs on this? Yeah, it might work. It's strong. I feel like I should probably just do the discipline thing and actually buy app. Like, if it sets up for a few days, you might as well just buy it. I'm just like, this is so silly. I freed up some buying power, right? I have a decent chunk of buying power available. Maybe we can get in one of these like app, Palantir, um, Carvana, right? Maybe Carvana. These do anything? Who says they're extended? It's a matter of opinion. App Story, I'm pretty sure App is just insanely good fundamentals, right? And one of the best charts. Because, like, this has the most big green volume bars on the weekly I've seen. Look at this. Look how many of these are. Do you see this? Like, just open your fucking eyes. This is crazy. This one doesn't count. But, you can start with this one, right? So much institutional buying. And then this is a classic can slimmer. Look at this. Stair step on the EPS, right? Not profitable to, whoa, let's go, right? Revenue, right? Look at this shit. Unless it's fraud. Did I get a Jivo alert? Should I be in this? Should I chase this? No, don't chase. Just come on, give me a pullback, dude. Been waiting to buy this. I traded this here on this. I don't know if you remember this day. Good fundamentals, great chart. Or great, maybe fundamentals could be considered great. I don't know. It's yeah. This also has a fantastic chart for. Oh, this is interesting. DJT. Uh, Probably less than one. But sometimes not counting like adjustments. Some days I make a lot of adjustments. But generally less than one new position. Definitely less than one. One new position. I used to trade a lot more, but no, it's just like most of the time you're just gonna get jebaited into shit. Like today I tried two new trades, right? I took a Redfin starter. Um, I tried QFin and got stopped. I might retry it though. I don't know. And then I reduced a lot of Oklo. That's why I sold like down quite a bit today. I sold into here, and into here, and a little bit into here. And yeah. So I guess if you count those individually, it's more than, two new positions. But that's how I kind of see it. I'm trying to trade less and less, and I think I'm getting better at it. Because the money is made waiting. You guys know this. You guys know this shit, but can't do it. Like everyone talks about the same shit, right? Buy right, sit tight, all these stupid you know, idioms. It's not a big secret. Sometimes you cut things that they don't move after a while. I mean, it's valid. You want to get things when they move out of the way, but sometimes if like something is grinding higher, it might be worth to give it a shot. Depending on the stock. Dude, why is this so annoying? This is just going straight up. This is actually setting up on the 30-minute hour, right? Interesting, interesting. Dude, catheter precision? What the fuck is this kind of name? Advanced catheters? Stable control of catheters? Oh, God. Yeah, I don't know who that is, but yeah. You can do it over like different time frames. Like position traders are probably gonna hold for longer than I am. Yeah, it looks good. If you bought Lumen, good job. But I wasn't really focused on it. This is not really like my type of setup exactly, but it was tight on the 50-day, I guess. Yeah. I don't know. Is there any new news flow on Lumen, or is it the same shit? Carousel short report and, building the networking for AI. No, there's a Netflix 2X. Huh. Yeah, Netflix had earnings, that's right. It's because everyone's just paying the family plan now. Fucking so annoying. Really? Maybe I'll add this to 3 just to keep track of it. Yeah, these setups on the 50-day are generally not my favorite type of setup. Like tight on the 50-day, I don't know if that's that much of an edge. I'd see a lot of people say that when I used to like check Discords. It's fucking useless. Do I have to rebuy this, dude? Is this really a rebuy situation? I don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna rebuy it, dude. This is so strong. 170% after qfin. I'm probably gonna try to reduce some things though. Like, no, no, this is good. I'm banking on this being, uh, right? Yeah, this entry here. Yeah, okay, sure. I don't know if I'm interested even remotely in silver unless there's some like crazy event and there's some like microcap that goes, I guess. Oh wait, it is a nice breakout, you're right though. I guess silver can sometimes like really run, but I don't know. I'd rather save my buying power for something else. Is there a silver microcap? I don't think so, right? I don't know if this is actually a good buy. I'll give it a little like I'll give it like 30 minutes and see. There's some rules I go by, but they're like guidelines. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have my statistics. Maybe I'm fucking wrong. No, I only added two new positions, Redfin and Qfin. Oh no, EVgo I guess I added two, but I bought a little yesterday. Yeah, okay, whatever, dude. It's fine. But I'll use like lower time frames. If something is breaking down, I'll reduce, right? Like if something breaks down in 30 minutes, I'll start reducing it. If something hits key levels, I'll take profits, right? It's just like ways to get in and out. Lunar's I don't think it's ready yet. I'm looking to get into. I'd rather wait for ASTS and Lunar. I think it'll be more obvious when they want to go. It's just range bound, I think. Like the weekly tells a story, right? Might actually be good on the weekly high, but Lunar, I don't know, maybe on the weekly highs. But on the daily, it doesn't look that good. But there's like, okay, but there's days where I don't trade at all. Like there's plenty of streams where I literally did not do anything. I just ranted for an hour or something. Yeah, everyone gets baited. Just don't lose too much money getting baited. I should still be in this, dude. What the fuck? Come on, this is so stupid. Whatever. Well, EVs are really bad. Yeah, it's just about knowing. I mean, it's just about, yeah, it's just it should be the bare minimum, but people just don't do it. I guess a lot of traders don't do it. Like Mini Wiener, Mark Mini Wiener doesn't do it, clearly. Um, I guess I should do smaller positions for those, yeah. I only have 14% of my count in QFin, not that much. But I don't know. Yeah. But that mini is balding and has a mini wiener. He has a micro penis. Should we kill this? No, I'll keep it for now. Let's bunt this one. I don't think I can get 6x leverage. Okay, unlike the fast stocks, your broker's not going to give you that much leeway. It's going to be the margin, it's going to have higher margin requirements. Oh yeah, I forgot about. I never started with below 25K, so I don't know. I started with a six-figure account. Uh, yeah, I forget how that shit works, but I think you just have to let your cash settle. You can't like I don't know. But now I saw that they changed it to 1 day settlement, so if you're a broke trader, you have less of a disadvantage now. Just study more. You should be no during. Just be more selective, size down, do whatever you need to do. You can look at breadth too. Uh, I mean, everyone has that problem. It's just let's try not to lose too much money, dude. It's like I don't know. I was in a drawdown for months. I finally got out of the drawdown. I think I should just cut this. I don't think I want it actually. Or wait till end of day. Yeah, thanks to Aqua Basic, because I got size on it. You just like otherwise I'd still be in a drawdown because like your cuts and your losses will eat into your average winners, right? So the idea is like these outlier trades will really move your account. I've had the number of trades that really moved my account this year is still in the single digits. Like I could ignore everything else. But lately I've been doing pretty good, so I don't know, like Rocket Lab is a pretty nice banger. It's almost 100% move. It doesn't always have to be like necessarily the biggest percentage move. Sometimes like you catch a really liquid, really linear, like 50 to 80% move instead of like it doesn't have to be like 200% move, but you get to catch some size on it because it telegraphed a great setup. Like Soundhound, right, earlier this year. Actually, this doubled. Never mind. This more than doubled. So yeah, this is still just a big banger. Yeah, dude, this one actually above $6, I might buy it, but I think it needs above $6. Yeah, I mean that's one way to look at it, yeah. Oh man, I'm excited to celebrate, dude. Going Gonna go out to a nice dinner tonight, I think. I love eating out. I'm only seeing one person right now, but I was tempted to actually I'm not gonna talk about this. Dolliman's recording these streams. I'm gonna it's gonna get exposed for saying something like that. But yeah, this is the payoff. This is finally the payoff. I'm yeah, I got a full weekend planned, I think. I think we're doing chill things. I hope. Oh man. Yeah, yes and no. 'Cause like traditionally people that say they're like a macro kind of guy, like that's not what I am, right? But like macro catalysts can be very important, like the interest rate trade that I've talked about before. In that sense, I value macro very highly. But like, in terms of like thinking about how, think about if there's a bid in bonds or not, and what the dollar is doing all the time, like that's not really what I do, right? But like macro trends, you want to know the current narrative. Right now, where the narrative is like we're expecting some rate cuts, some more rate cuts down the line. In fact, what is the fucking what do prediction markets say? What do prediction markets say right now? Uh, what did they say for November? Right, that's the next 25 basis point cut is the overwhelming consensus, 82%. What about weed? I bought like an ounce of really high grade weed, but that I'm not smoking unless my situationship is here, because she's a degenerate. I used to smoke weed like every day. It just like cut down though. Or do you mean weed stocks? Nothing going on, I think. It's unfortunately this trade is dead. But uh, Harris did say that she was gonna decriminalize this shit, I guess. I don't know. So did Trump, right? Yeah, stocks are Trump play. You're right. Yep, they are. Oh, this is still going, dude. This is crazy, man. Dude, I can't imagine people short are having any fun doing like, come on, man. This is so fucked. I can't believe this is still going. What the hell? Another black swan, man. Look at this candle. 6,000% weekly candle. Holy fuck, man. Holy fuck. Surely it's no, I'm not gonna get sucked into trying to day trade at this hour. It's just short sellers getting their asses whooped. That's what it is. No real reason. I'm gonna cut this actually. I don't think I want it. I'll rebuy it next week if necessary. Do I rebuy this? Not yet. No, no. I think I can just wait. I think I want to try to get some uranium miner exposure. Oh shit, that's crazy. Oh yeah, it's a liquid one, I remember, yeah. I talked about this on Tuesday, but I wasn't gonna ever trade it. Is TSM going up still? That's pretty funny. Semis just can't catch a break, huh? If only someone had explained why on stream several times how they didn't like semiconductors. Except for ARM, but yeah, it's not worth it right now. Yes, afternoon stream indeed. Oh, this isn't. Oh, it's too slow. No, I mean, I don't think there's that much of an edge in watching, to be totally honest. You can figure out most of this stuff for yourself. You just have to pay attention. But yeah, semiconductors, I don't know. It's just unclear. I don't think there's a big edge in there yet. It's like avoiding getting long them. What? Did this get news? No, right? Oh, it did. But yeah, like semiconductors just need more time. I don't like all these like big distribution candles, right? Like boom, 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 boom. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? It's just like, and then on the weekly, you can see them, right? These three big candles here, here. Then this rally on declining volume on the weekly on SOX is probably the same, right? Yeah. The only, I mean, this is near all-time highs, so who knows? But we're all semis, right? Like, and then the other one is what is it? The ASML. Like, this is not, this is like a big red flag, dude. This company, do you guys know what this company is? This is the fucking one of the most important companies in the world. Dutch company, right? Lithography. Like this is not good. This is a very bad sign. Look at this on the weekly, right? Look at this volume. Look at this. One big one here, right? Big one here. Four big volume distribution candles on the weekly, right? Or honestly, more than four, like five, and then one massive one here. This company is just as important as TSM, if not more important. No, I mean it's like yeah, there are strong names in here, but like TSM even has some warnings, but I don't know. It's just mixed signals, right? Like this is horrifying, dude. Look at this. What about yeah, the other large caps, right? Like look at all the distribution here. Yes, you should know what ASML is, right? It's an important company. Especially like semiconductors, there's no excuse to not understand the industry as a trader. You should know what all these important companies are. Like I can flick to all the big cap and mega cap semis, without thinking. Oh, sorry, wrong one, right? This is such an important industry. I do think like one day they'll lead again, but they need some time off. Is what I think. Arista also very important. This one is not pure semis though. It's like networking and stuff. Anyway, same with Broadcom. Is this not? It's a semi infrastructure. So yeah, there's like some select ones that are good. Yeah. No, dude, they're gonna be robots soon. Impinji? This one? Yeah, I never really liked this stock, but it's still fine. This is like RFID stuff though. This is not pure semis either. So this is not like chips. This is RFID. I mean, it's chips still, but I believe that's all they do. RFID. Oh, it is really strong though, but I never liked this stock. I tried to trade it like a couple years ago. It's not the best trender. I feel like I got some alerts for Bitcoin. No, not really. I mean, no. I wouldn't rush into these. I think you could have bought BitX or MSTR today though. But I still think that, like, does this really just go through 69K like this? Really? CLSK or PI? April 25th? Yeah, I mean, It is, but like the character of the stock is not that good, right? In my opinion. Look at this shit, dude. I don't like the character of the stock. Just because it's Pradeep doesn't mean he's right. It's just an earnings out of this like base, I guess. But it's like such a messy base. Just I don't care about Pradeep's opinions, honestly. I just do not give a shit. Uh, oh, it's below my entry now. Yeah, isn't Pradeep busy being divorced? Is he assume he's getting like strippers all the time now? Do I have to rebuy this, really? Yeah, EVGO is great. EVGO is fantastic EP. Absolutely fantastic EP. I think I'll hold off on rebuying this. Yeah, I'm sure you can learn from him. Not doubting that. It just, you know, who cares what he thinks? You don't have to buy day one. You can wait till the gap up shows like a clear trend on like the 30, 1 hour or the daily. You can just wait a lot of the time. Or just take a starter. You know, if you find yourself getting chopped up, take a starter. Don't go gung ho right away. I don't like the way this is acting. Yeah, I bought it. I chased it day one actually. I chased it like I think here. Then I sold it like here, and I started rebuying it here and here. I but mm, maybe not such a good idea. Maybe I should just ditch it. Dude, this is nuts. Is anyone in this? This is crazy. Is anyone in Givo actually? If this taps VWAP, I'll buy it. I think, or like maybe start buying at $3. You bought drug at oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to like yeah, I don't want to like give a chase that much room. It's got to like just start going. Oh, I only have like 5% of my account in this right now. I meant to rebuy it. Like I tried to rebuy it here, I think, and I just cut it. I honestly, what I should have done is instead of take, I should have taken out the whole position here. I should have like just sold like half and then held it. But if it breaks lows, I might just cut this new starter. I think I will if it breaks lows of today. In fact, it looks like it's gonna break lows, so um, I'll give it till lows. I will give it till lows, yeah. Mm. They probably could have if you bought like at 160, even if you put 10% of your account into this, right? Even if you put 10% of your account, you would have like 4x your account or something like that, right? That's fucking nuts. Or at least like 2x, 3x, assuming you're taking profits on the way up. 2x your account is not on a 10% position is not out of the question. I don't like this at all. I don't think there's a need to trade commodities right now, except for maybe like uranium or lithium, right? I don't know about steel being a fun trade. Do you want to trade steel? Like really? I don't want to trade steel. Do you want to waste your buying power on steel? Oh, I probably should rebuy this. Oh. Oh no, I should wait. Yeah, it's choppy. I'll wait on this one. It's thin again. It's choppy. Commodities are just choppy in general. 2022 was the year you should have traded commodities. Not now. There's other things moving. Just wait for some of these. Like wait for UPST to set up. Save your buying power. There's other examples. These black swan events happen every now and then. HKD, ICCT, TPST. There's a number of them. I've been trading for 4 years. I've seen more than one a year. Like two a year, maybe on average. There's like some crazy black swan event. Just to keep the short sellers on their toes. Yeah, dude, ICCT ran like okay, so ICCT ran to 40, I believe. It ran so from like it ran to 40 pre-market, so that's 2000%. There was a CXAI. Do you guys remember this? Right. This ran from 2 to like I forget exactly, but also I think 40s or above, right? In like 2 to 3 days, right? There's LGVN from look, I know these off the dome, and I don't even trade them. Okay, this day, right? Right. These black swans happen. Anyway, there's more. There's more than just these. You can if you can find them, like if you study them if you want, but yeah. Yeah, KXIN. Yeah, yeah, exactly. There's it's like yeah, like these happen sometimes. Yeah, what did HKD go to again? This went to yeah, this one went for yeah, this one went from like $20 to $2,500. This one went 10,000%, right? Do you remember this? Do you guys remember this? 20,000% in 21 days. The spread up here was so insane. This one actually, I actually got an alert here. I had a hourly trend line here. I was just like, ah, fuck it. And then, yeah, obviously I regretted it. Anyway, they happen. Black Swan events. Aqua, probably like 30%-ish. I made a killing on Aqua, yeah. Somewhere 25 to 35%, somewhere in that range, I think. Because I mean, I started buying it in the sevens, right? It's at 19 now. My new position I bought, my average is 982, right? You know, it already doubled, so. Oh, I shouldn't have sold this, but now it's like $16 million volume. I guess I don't feel that bad. So thin. I started with a six-figure account, low six figures. You just get used to it. You get used to like, so yeah, I had to get used to like mid four-figure losses at first, right? And then you get used to five-figure losses regularly. And now you get used to six-figure losses regularly. It's fucked. Like, down days, on bad down days, it'd be like down six figures and be okay, whatever. You just can't think like that, It's like, oh shit, that's a year's salary. Oh yeah, this is a cat silver. Again, not worth trading. Oh, what the fuck? Wait. What's that one? Semler, right? This is the one that is trying to pull at MSTR. Probably not. You should probably try to hedge your losses. Try to not lose too much money. Hmm. I don't know. I can't recommend that for you. That's depends on your financial situation. But most of you will not make any money doing this, so that's very real. Most of you will not make any. Well, there's what 20 people here. Maybe you select for, better traders. At least half of you won't make it. I guess it's just my rough estimate. All right, I need to call it. Go outside again. But I want to see what's going on with these ETFs. Dude, is this maybe actually gonna set up? I don't know if I want to ever buy Labu again. What did China do? Okay. This is really good, right? It's reclaiming the 10-day right away. Yeah, I'm probably most excited for this upstart. Am I gonna get an entry on this, dude? Come on, man. Alright, I'm gonna cut the stream, guys. Have a good weekend.